Lately, there's been a buzz in the graphic design community. Some worry that AI might snatch away jobs, turning a field driven by human creativity into a playground for robots. But hold on, is that the whole story? Well, 2024 has shown us something different. Instead of replacing designers, AI has flung open new doors, revealing paths sprinkled with opportunities. For those with a creative spark specifically, AI is not a foe, but a friend, a tool that amplifies their talents. It's a partnership where your ideas lead and AI assists, transforming thoughts into visuals in ways we never thought possible. Now, what if you could be part of all this, even without a background in design? Or better to say, how can you step into this new era of digital creation and turn it into a rewarding side hustle? AI-generated patterns and how it works. AI in graphic design is like a magic wand. You provide the inspiration, and it brings your vision to life. This process is all about bridging the gap between your creative ideas and tangible art. Number 1. Choose your AI art tool. Starting off, choosing the right AI art tool is a crucial step. Consider Midjourney, a user-friendly platform great for beginners. It's designed to be intuitive, taking your ideas and turning them into art. It's known for its ability to create abstract and graphical patterns. And the best part is, it offers a free trial, so you can experiment without any upfront investment. On the other hand, there's DeepArt, which uses a different approach. This tool transforms images into artworks reflecting famous styles. Number 2. Setting your theme. Next up is setting your theme. This is where you tell the AI what you want in the form of a prompt. For example, say you want a pattern with tropical vibes. Your prompt could be tropical leaves pattern tile. It's straightforward and tells the AI exactly what you're looking for. Remember, the AI is smart, but it's not a mind reader. The more precise your prompt, the closer the result will be to what you're imagining. Number 3. Generating and experimenting. Now comes the fun part, generating and experimenting. This is where you play around with your prompts and see what the AI comes up with. It's like a surprise every time. Add tile to your Midjourney prompt, and it gives you a pattern that can repeat endlessly. It's perfect for designs that need to be tiled, like wallpapers or fabric prints. The key here is to try different things. Mix up your colors, styles, or even the complexity of your designs. You might start with a basic floral pattern, then throw in some geometric shapes for a funky twist. Think of it as a sandbox. You've got all these tools and possibilities at your fingertips. Play around, get your hands dirty, and see what you can create. Number 4. Upscaling and refining your art. Got a design you like? Great, now it's time to make it shine. That's where upscaling and refining come in. If you're using Midjourney, you'll want to export your design as a PNG file first. Then, take that file and pop it into Pixelcut. The tool uses AI to enhance the quality of your image, ensuring it looks good no matter where you use it. Whether you're printing it on a t-shirt or using it as a digital background, this step makes sure your art looks its best. Number 5. Tiling and perfecting your pattern. Want to use your design for something like fabric or wallpaper? Then you'll need to tile it. That's where a tool like Affinity Designer comes in. You import your upscaled image here and use its tiling tool to create a seamless pattern. You adjust the size and overlap of your design until it fits together perfectly. No gaps, no weird overlaps, just a smooth, continuous pattern. This step is crucial for designs that need to be repeated over a large area, and Affinity Designer makes it very easy. It's intuitive and lets you see exactly how your pattern will look when it's repeated. This way, you can make sure everything lines up just right before you move on to the next step. Number 6. Preparing for production. Your artwork is now ready for the limelight. Whether you're looking to sell on print-on-demand platforms or you want to sell digital files directly, you need to get your art in the right format. You'll also need to check the requirements of the platform you're using. Each has its own rules for file formats and resolutions. For print-on-demand, you'll need high-resolution files that look good on physical products. For digital sales, offer common formats like PNG or JPEG. Monetizing your creation. Strategic thinking is crucial when leveraging patterns for profit. Consider where these designs will be most valued and which products they'll complement best. Home decor items such as cushions, shower curtains, and tapestries are ideal candidates given the surging demand for unique goods. Selecting the right print-on-demand platform is pivotal. Amazon and Redbubble stand out. Amazon, with its vast customer base, is self-explanatory, while Redbubble focuses on artist-created designs across various products. Successful implementation requires a marketer's mindset. Use targeted keywords like retro, florals, and abstracts in titles and descriptions. Experiment with diverse variations, exploring possibilities beyond the initial design, and tap into the endless market potential. Scaling your side hustle with Midjourney. Once you've made a few sales and understood what your audience likes, it's time to scale up. For this, though, expanding your reach is just as important. Social media is your best friend here. Platforms like Instagram and Pinterest are not just places to showcase your art. They are powerful tools to connect with potential customers and other artists. Share your journey, the process behind your designs, and engage with your audience. This human connection can significantly boost your brand. Collaborations can also play a key role in scaling your business. Partnering with influencers or other artists can open up new audiences for your work. Collaborating with a lifestyle influencer on Instagram for say in showcasing your patterned home decor items in their home can help you tap into their follower base. Furthermore, don't limit yourself to just one or two print-on-demand platforms. Explore others. Each platform has its unique audience and best-selling products. Some patterns might sell better on one platform than another. It's all about testing and finding the best fit for your designs. The key to scaling your business. Honestly, it's up to you. With AI tools at your disposal, harness their potential, understand the market, and continuously evolve your strategies. Keep an eye on trends, listen to customer feedback, and always be ready to pivot your approach. With time, what started as a side hustle could well become a significant source of income or even a full-time career. If you liked the video, please consider subscribing and sharing so we can keep bringing more content like this. See you next time.